can feel it when you walk, even when you talk. It takes over me. Yes, I'm down. I wanna know.
Hey y'all, AlAiNNA here back with another video. It's Saturday, 12:03. Y'all, the post office closed at 12 today, and I got here like 11:58 because I had to pick up my mailbox key to my new spot. Yeah, but I can't believe I was like, please don't be closed, please don't close. But they already had 2 people in there, and they was in line. I walked right in. I'm glad, period, because I'm not going to do this whenever I get off of work, or like I would probably be like racing to get here or whatever. But that's out the way, and I'm glad. So the weather is about to get real bad, so I'm about to go in the house. I just left the house for literally 5 minutes to come here, because they called me while I was at work yesterday, but I don't know how it slipped my mind that I was supposed to come here. So when I got off work, I went straight home, got all comfy in my, out of my work clothes and everything, tied my hair up. And I thought about it. I was like, oh crap, I was supposed to go get my mailbox key. They did call me, but I forgot. Once I got home, I still had time, but I wasn't about to leave out the house. I was like, I'm already in the house. So came out today and did that. And yeah, that's out the way. So back to the house we go.
You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness is what I was put up to you. So my phone went to see you out. My head high, cause you see and now I'm better. No longer what I used to be better.
I'm in desperate need of a car wash, so that's what I'm doing right now. It's been a couple months since I washed my car. That's bad, I know. Don't judge. And my inside is filthy. I need to. Got so much trash in here. Lord help me. Fix it, somebody.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside of me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. And I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me the reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city.
This is too much stuff, though.
Baptized in Christ, He saved my life. He sacrificed His own for mine. So I'm diligent. I'm trying out what I have done. For the time they criticize, they love to hate. I don't care what they say. That's why I listen. Staying in my lane with the Lord. I'm in the spirit. Never mind, I'm thinking twice. I'm on the rise. Yeah. While everybody else getting up to no good, I'll be praising you.